Hello, loves. I just thought that I saw you venue for the first time in October. I heard the name and I thought, how cool! It's exactly what my grandmother used to say about her friends or siblings and how they used to like play together in the neighborhood. And the name, my grandmother is a gypsy woman. It comes from Moldova, and she always used to say that Mahalla is a neighborhood in a village, but not just the whole village. It's just like the hood, and it means quite literally like neighborhood, but of like brothers and sisters and everyone, you know, it's like the hood. It means that. And basically there was also another girl from Moldova last time for the event, and she said the same. Oh, the place is called Mahalla. Mahalla means like our hood, a neighborhood. And my grandmother, born in 1940, she always used to call them, where do you know this boy from? Well, he's from Mahalla, which means like from my neighborhood. And now it's translated as slums and maybe like places that are ruined, but in fact it never meant anything bad. It just meant like the hood, brotherhood, neighborhood of people you know that are cute.